Four Seasons Pest Solutions.
When you know how to recognize termite infestations by identifying mud tubes and other signs, you're one step closer to a pest-free home. But don't get too excited. You should still trust a reputable pest control company like Four Seasons Pest Solutions to provide complete termite control. In this edition of the Pest Perspective, I want to explore termite mud tubes as we address the following. What's the purpose of termite mud tubes? How do we identify termite mud tubes? Staining and other damage from mud tubes, and termite control and prevention measures. Subterranean termites require a certain level of moisture within their colony to prevent desiccation. If termites find themselves outside the colony and exposed to the air and other elements, they'll quickly die. Mud tubes serve as an extension of the colony. The more humid air that is maintained in the colony is distributed through the network of mud tunnels, which we often call mud tubes. These mud tubes allow the termites to work above ground as they search for food. Unfortunately, that means that our homes and other structures can be easily attacked and destroyed by termite colonies if preventative control measures aren't in place. Now, there are four main types of mud tubes, each with its own purpose. However, all four types are indicative of a termite infestation and should be treated when discovered. The first is exploration tubes. Mud tubes that are used for exploration purposes are fragile, thin, and usually visible on floor joists, walls, foundations, and similar areas. Tubes meant for exploration will usually be dry, brittle, and abandoned by the time they're found. These tubes will always extend up from the soil or from the colony's location and rarely extend upward over 15 feet. The second kind of tubes are worker tubes. As the name suggests, these tubes are used by the termite workers as they gather food for the colony. Of all the termite tubes you might find present in a structure, these will be the most common. Throughout the day, worker termites travel back and forth from the colony gathering food and extending these tubes. And then they're usually connected to a food source and will often disappear into the wood as the termites travel inside the wood galleries that they've constructed by removing the cellulose for food. The third type are drop tubes. These tubes serve to make a direct and quick connection from the colony or the ground to food sources like floor joists and other wood suspended above the ground. And finally, the fourth type are called swarm tubes. Now, these are often referred to as swarm castles and are constructed by worker termites. Swarm tubes allow the inhabitants, which are king and queen termite alates, to emerge, reproduce, and start new colonies. When these are present inside a home or structure, it usually means the colony has been present for several years or is otherwise very well established. So mud tubes can be found in a variety of colors depending on the soil and the cellulose material used to construct them. Additionally, active tubes will be kept moist and maintain darker colors, whereas inactive ones will be dry and lighter. The standard size of a mud tube is about 1/4 of an inch or the width of a pencil. However, swarm tubes can be much larger, up to 1 inch or more in diameter, in fact. Standard mud tubes used for workers will spread out and fork in differing directions, like the branches of a tree, for instance. These can be found on foundation walls, ceilings, floor joists, stored cellulose materials, wallboard, and other similar areas. Any termite mud tube should be considered cause for alarm. These are direct pathways for worker termites to destroy your home and cost potentially thousands of dollars in repairs. So if you find termite mud tubes of any kind, contact Four Seasons Pest Solutions right away and schedule a termite inspection and analysis. Staining occurs when mud tubes are constructed along homes and are later removed or break apart due to inactivity. These stains can be indicative of termite infestations, either present or past. If your home has termite mud tube stains and no record exists of treatment against termites, a treatment should then be considered. Although termites won't do much damage in a short amount of time, as the colony grows and the years pass by, thousands of dollars in damages can quickly mount and leave you with a much larger bill than a preventative treatment would have ever cost. So as we previously noted, active mud tubes are kept moist by worker termites to prevent desiccation. When tubes are kept moist, damage to wood members occurs and furthers the deterioration process, which allows termites then to feed from that wood. So just imagine hundreds and thousands of tiny termites working in your home, and little by little removing bits of wood 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. It's well documented that larger termite infestations can cause audible noises within the walls of homes during the night as thousands of workers eat away at your home. Termites can be active for years and show no visible signs of their presence. Of course, that doesn't mean every infestation will go unnoticed, but because the potential is there, prevention is always in your best interests. Now, although DIY prevention measures won't guarantee no termites will invade your home, they can certainly help reduce the chances. So, a few key tips that you can implement on your own are to maintain trees, shrubs, and other vegetation around your home. Make sure that trees do not touch or overhang your home. Keep a few feet of clear distance between them when possible. Additionally, it's crucial to remove dead plants, limbs, and other debris from around your home because these items can attract termites, which then in turn may cause damage to your home. Next, it's good to eliminate all wood to ground contact within your home. This includes wooden piers, floor joists, posts, runners, braces, and any other wood products. If wood in your home touches soil outside or beneath your home, a direct pathway is forged for termites. And thirdly, it's important to inspect outdoor wooden structures that are nearby for any signs of damage. This includes sheds, fence posts, barns, or any other wood products and structures that might be present nearby. If any structure within 100 feet of your home is found to be infested with termites, it's crucial to treat your home to prevent potential damages. Furthermore, the infested wooden structure should also be evaluated and treated. Fourth, sealing gaps and cracks in your home with proper sealant material is important. HVAC lines, plumbing penetration, cracks in foundation walls, damaged wood siding, and other similar cracks and gaps and defects can allow termites easy access to your home. Remember, termites only require less than 1/16 inch of a gap or crack for easy access. And finally, appoint a trusted pest control company to oversee your termite prevention. This could include simple annual inspections, liquid termite treatments, or better yet, Centricon colony eliminating bait system. With Four Seasons Pest Solutions on your side, we can install the Centricon always active baiting system around your home for optimal control and prevention. It's kind of like having a pest control company at your home fighting termites 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And with that level of control, you can rest easy knowing your home is well protected.
It's good to have Four Seasons on your side.